and are we in the clearing phase?
As of now, I cannot give you the percentage, pero since day one,
Can we say, sir, na malaking area na yung na-cover natin and that we are almost done in the clearing phase?
hindi rin masyado kasi nga since Friday up to now, wala tayong clearing operations. I would like to inform this body since day one, nagkaroon po ng clearing operations to 23 government establishments and other structures and 834 structures situated at Santa Barbara. And karamihan ng mga structures from Santa Barbara ay sunog na, yung iba totally damaged. For Sector 1, actually tapos na siya, kaso lang inulit natin konti kasi kinukuha natin yung mga sheets doon, yung mga burned galvanized sheets for the purpose to check thoroughly kung may mga nakaipit pa na mga UXO or other pieces of evidence. Pero in totality, yung Sector 1 tapos na talaga.
Thanks, sir.
Jordan?